Assalamu alaikum students. The question that we are doing related to the speed, and that is question number 6 of exercise 9D. So now we are going to start this question, and I have already shared the formula sheet of speed, distance and time, and average speed. So you have to see that. So now let's read the question. The question is saying a car traveled the first 19 kilometer of its journey at an average speed of 57 kilometer per hour. They are saying there is a car, and car is traveling, and the distance that car is traveling in the first slot of the journey, that is 19 kilometer, and the average speed is 57 kilometer per hour. When the car is moving with the speed of 57 kilometer per hour, how much distance it covers a distance 19 kilometer, and then after the remaining 55 kilometers distance by using the average speed of 110 kilometer. So we are having two distance and two speeds, and find the average speed of the car of its entire journey. So we are having the two slots of the speed, and we have two values of the distance. By using such values we can find out the speed, and the speed, that is the average speed of that car. So according to that question, that is 9D, and exercise in 9D, and then after that is related to D1, and that is question number 6. And according to the data, we are having distance is equals to 19 kilometer, and then after, when the distance is 19 kilometer, and then the average speed is 57 kilometer per hour. Then after, in the second slot, we are having 55 kilometer, distance is 55 kilometer, and then the speed is 110 kilometer per hour. That is the information, and by using such information, what we need to find? We need to find average speed. That is the data. And then what we can do? D1, we can say that is D1, and that is S1, that is D2, and that is S2. So the formula for the average speed we are having is equals to D1 plus D2 over T1 plus T2. So we are having the values of D1 and D2, but we are not having the value of T1 and T2. So we can find the value of T1 and T2. We are having the formula that T is equals to D over S. T is equals to D over S for T1, and then for T2 we can say D2 over S2. That is D1 and that is S1. So we can put the values of distance and speed in the given question. So we can say T1 is equals to D1 is 19 kilometer and divided by 57 kilometer per hour. So we can say kilometer and kilometer can be cancelled out, and 19 divided by 57, it will be 0.3333. So T1 is equals to 0.333, and that is in the hour. Then D2 is 55 kilometer, and then 110 kilometer per hour. Kilometer and kilometer can be cancelled out, and then 55 divided by 110, that will be equals to 0.5. That is also in the hours. Then we can put those values in the formula directly. The formula is saying D1 is 19 kilometer, then D2 is 55 kilometer, and then we can say T1 is 0.33 hours plus 0.5 hours. Then 19 and 55 will be added to get 74 kilometer, and then after we have to add 0.333 plus 0.5, that is equals to 0.833, that is in hour. So now we have to divide them and to get the final answer, that is 0.833, that would be equals to 88.835 kilometer per hour. So the average speed according to the question is 88.835 kilometer per hour. That is our final answer. So we have used the average speed formula, and then we have used the calculation, and we have done with the question, and that is a solution of a question. You can see clearly that is a basic part of the speed, average speed and speed, time and distance.